everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin spice dog treats. For this recipe, you will need 3 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin, and 1/3 cup of all-natural unsweetened peanut butter. I get mine at Sprouts in their bulk section. All the ingredient list says is peanuts, that's it. That is what you want. You don't want any sweetened peanut butter, especially peanut butter that's been sweetened with xylitol or anything that is extremely toxic to dogs, so we do not want that kind. And right here I have 3 cups of brown rice flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll also need a rolling pin and cookie cutters of your choice. I have this cute little bone one. Preheat your oven to 350, and you'll also need 2 baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats on them. If you have a stand mixer, I suggest using the paddle attachment for this. It's gonna make it a lot easier because this is gonna turn out to be a thick dough. So right now I will go ahead and get all this mixed up. This recipe is really versatile because you can use applesauce or banana instead of the pumpkin. If you don't have pumpkin, you can use even baby food. So go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of brown rice flour on your work surface. All right, so we are just going to give this a good knead. Yoshi's outside, she's looking in here. She's like, I know you're making something for me. All right, we are just going to roll this out. Okay, so just keep rolling this out. Try to get it as even as possible. Definitely don't want them to be too thin, but you don't want them to be too thick either because then they won't dry out in the oven. Okay, now we can start cutting the shapes. I started making my own dog treats when I was in high school. And yeah, I just thought it was so much fun, and the dogs really like them too. That's probably like a 1/4 of an inch. So that is the thickness you'll want them to be. Did I say I had my oven set at 350? I don't know if I said that yet, but put your oven at 350, please. These are so cute for Christmas too, you guys. You can put them in those little cellophane treat bags and then put like ribbon on them. They're just the cutest thing ever. They make the best gift. Perfect gift for that dog lover in your life. All right, so before you put them on your baking sheet, go ahead and poke them with a fork in the middle. This will keep them from puffing up too much in the middle. Grab your baking sheet and just put these on the sheet. Just definitely want to get as many as you can in one batch into the oven, because what we do is we bake them and then we turn off the oven and let them sit in there, and that gets all the excess moisture out, and so they get nice and crunchy, just like a dog treat. All right, so let's go ahead and roll out the rest of our dough. Usually when I come to the last bit of dough, I like to make a really big one for Yoshi. And then I grab my little cookie stamps and I put her name in it. This is what I really like to do for Christmas time. I think it's the best. It's so much fun. If you guys want to make these for Christmas, I highly suggest doing the name thing. It's super cute. Just a nice touch, of course. All right, so I have 2 trays of these. I'm going to bake these at 350 for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to shut off the oven and leave them in there for an hour. By that time, they should be completely crunchy. All right, guys, there's the treats. As you can see, they're like a cracker. Now for the moment of truth. Let's have Yoshi try it. Oh no, it broke. Hey, baby. Hey, you want a treat? Do you want a yummy treat? How is that? Do you not like it? Really? If you don't like it, what am I gonna do with them? Is it too big? Huh? Is it too big for you? Huh? Is it too big for you? Come on, eat it. Eat it. You gotta let the people know that it's good. Otherwise they won't make them for their dogs. I think she likes them. So what do you think? I think she likes them. Alright, so those dog treats are Yoshi approved, right baby? There she is. There's my pretty girl. Good girl, sweetie. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Can you say bye, Yoshi? Yoshi, say bye. Bye, Yoshi.